Banking Law Notes by MG Law. Now we will do promissory note, page number 28. Promissory note, okay. From the word itself, we can understand that it's a note in which there is a promise, okay. The promise is to pay some certain amount, okay. So let's first see the definition. In Negotiable Instruments Act, section 4, its definition is given. What's the definition? The definition is, it's a instrument. So it's a one type of negotiable instrument. We have seen that negotiable instruments are of three types: promissory note, bill of exchange, and check, okay. So promissory note is one type of negotiable instrument. So it's an instrument in writing. It should be in writing, it should not be oral, okay. There is an exception to promissory note. These are banknote and currency note and banknote, although they are similar to promissory note, but they don't come under the definition of promissory note, okay. Next point is containing unconditional. There should not be any condition in promissory note, okay. An undertaking to pay, okay. Undertaking means a promise to pay, okay. Certain sum of money. The sum of money should be certain, okay. It should be like rupees 500, rupees 400, okay. It should not be like all money, some money. This type of uncertain amount, they don't come under promissory note, okay. Only to certain person, okay. The person should be identifiable. It should be a particular person, or on the order of that certain person, okay. Or the bearer of the instrument, means the person who is having the possession of the instrument, okay. Next point is signed by the maker. The maker should sign the promissory note, okay. Let's see how promissory note looks like. Suppose A is the maker and B is the payee who will get the payment. So the maker will make the promissory note like, I promised to pay B rupees 100, okay, or order, okay. Then A signs the promissory note, okay. So the promissory note looks like this, okay, where he is making a promise. The person is certain, he's making the promise to make the payment. The amount is certain, okay, to a to B or on his order, okay. And he is having the signatures, okay. So this was the definition of promissory note. The essentials are all these points of definitions only, and plus one more point of a stamp, okay. Let's see the essentials. First, the it should be in writing, okay. It should not be in oral. The writing can be by pencil, ink, print, type, photocopy, or any other mode of representing or reproducing words in visible form, okay. Any other mode also through which words can be represented or reproduced. So no particular form is required. Like the word promise is not necessary. You can say I promise to pay, or you can say I shall pay, okay. The word promise is not necessary. The main point is the language used should clearly show intention to give undertaking to pay, to give promise to pay, okay. The intention should be clear through the language. So next is undertaking to pay, means promise to pay. The promise should be express, okay. It should be clear, like I shall pay rupees 500 on demand, rupees 500 to be paid on demand. In this, the promise is express, okay. Not mere acknowledgement of indebtedness without promise to pay. Mere acknowledgement is not sufficient, okay, if the promise is not there. Like acknowledgement is like, I owe you rupees 500. So it's only an acknowledgement that I owe A rupees 500, okay. So this is not a promise note, because there is no promise. Next, like acknowledgement is like, I am accountable to you. It's an only an acknowledgement. There is no promise, I am bound to pay, okay. So these don't come under promissory note. And like, I am liable to you, okay. So these don't come under promissory note, because there is no promise. There should be no condition. It should be unconditional, not subject to any condition. Like if you are putting conditions like, on winning the case I will pay you, okay. So you are putting a condition, so it will not come under promissory note. Or you are saying on arrival of truck, okay. So you are putting a condition, so this is not a promissory note. Or you say I promise to pay if X pays me, okay. So you are putting a condition that if X pays me, then I will pay you. So it is also not promissory note. the amount should be certain, like rupees 400, it's a certain amount. Okay, if you are saying some money, so it's not certain how much money. All other sum, it's not certain. Rupees 400 and all fines, so it is not certain. Okay, so it's not promissory note. The payment should be of money only. Something other than money, no, it's not a promissory note. Something in addition to money, no, it's not a promissory note. Like I will pay money and party. Okay, so party is not a money. Okay, so it's not a promissory note. Section 18 says, if amount in both words and figures, in case of discrepancy, amounts in words will prevail. Let's see what this point says. If suppose it's written, I promise to pay B rupees 100, this is written in figures and it's also in words like rupees 100. So some people write one as like this, and by mistake if it does like this, so this looks like 9 instead of 1, so it's look like 900. So there is a discrepancy, there is a confusion, because in words it's like written 100, but in figure it's some confusion. Okay, whether it's 9 or 1. Okay, so where there is discrepancy, the amount in words will prevail. This will be taken as the primary. Okay, next is the party should be certain. Okay, reasonable certainty, like the parties, we can find that this is the particular person to whom the payment should be made. Okay, like the name of the party or the holder of the office or position. Okay, position in any office, like chairman, the chairman of xyz company, so we can clearly identify that this is the person. Okay, if payable to bearer, then certainty requirement not apply, because the bearer can be anyone who is holding that instrument. But in this type of instruments where there is bearer, only Reserve Bank of India and government of India can issue these types of bearer instruments. Okay, these type of notes which are payable to bearer. Okay, we have already seen this in definition that it's an exception. Here we have seen that it's an exception. Okay, so there are banknotes and currency notes. Okay, they are similar to or at par with promissory note, similar to promissory note. Okay, but they are not promissory note, as we have seen in the definition. They don't come under promissory note. Like you have seen in the currency notes, it's like rupees 10 note. Here it's written, I promised to pay bearer rupees 10, and then there is sign of the governor. Okay, so these don't come under promissory note, although they are similar to promissory note. Okay, next essential is the promissory note should be signed by maker. Okay, uh, agent also can sign if he has the authority to sign. If the person is illiterate, he can put his thumb impression. Okay, next point is, if the promissory note is without stamp. Okay, if you have not get it stamped in the registry department of the government, okay, then it is valid, but it is not binding. You cannot take legal action against him. It's not legally binding on the person who is making the payment. Okay, with stamp it becomes binding. If you pay the stamp in the and get it stamped in the registry office, registry department of the government. Okay, stamp from beginning is not necessary because it is valid. Okay, but if you want to make it binding, can be made binding by paying required stamp with penalty. Okay, you can go to the registry office and get it stamped, then from valid it will become binding. You can take the legal action if the person is not paying the amount. Okay, so let's have a quick summary what we have understood. Promissory note, a note which in which there is promise to make payment. Then there is definition in Negotiable Instrument Acts, section 4. It's an instrument, negotiable instrument in writing. Banknote and currency note are exception, they don't come under promissory note. The containing unconditional, there should be not no condition. Undertaking to pay, promise to pay certain sum of money, the amount should be certain only to certain person or to his order or bearer, the person should be certain. Okay, and there should be signature of the maker. What were essentials? It should be in writing, not oral. Writing in can be in pencil, ink, like no particular form, word promise is not necessary, and the language you should clearly in intention, the promise to pay, the to give undertaking to pay. Okay, it should be an undertaking to pay, means express promise to pay. The promise should be expressed. Mere acknowledgement is not enough. It should be unconditional, not subject to any condition. Okay, the amount should be certain, it should not uncertain. The payment should be of money only, not any other thing. If there is discrepancy between words and figures, then the amount in words will prevail. The party should be certain. Okay, like the name of the holder of the office. From this we can clearly find the particular person. The notes which are payable to bearer, they can only be issued by RBI or government of India, and they don't come under the definition of promissory note, as we have seen in the definition. They are, although they are similar to promissory note. Okay, the promissory note should be signed by the maker. The agent can also sign if he is authorized to sign. Person can put a thumb impression. Okay, without a stamp, if you don't pay the stamp duty and get a stamp, without a stamp it's valid, but it's not binding, legally binding on the party. Okay, to make it legally binding, you should pay the stamp duty with penalty and get it stamped. Although getting a stamp in the beginning is not necessary, because it's valid at that time. If you want to make it binding, you have to pay the stamp duty and get it stamped in the registry department of the government. Okay, if you are interested in the PDF of these banking law notes, you can get it in the description box link. Okay, or the link can be found in comment box. Okay, next topic we will see is bill of exchange in next video.